I'm so happy right now. It's the evening before the filming of the next Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. And I'm not just excited about that. Here, let me set my camera down. Shaky footage. Okay. I'm not just excited about that. I'm excited about a couple of things. One, I will show you here. Hold on. I was flying my Mavic Air 2, that drone, with this controller. And I love the Mavic Air 2. It's been a great drone. But this controller here, you'd have to use your cell phone for the screen. But I recently got a Mavic Mini 3, and I love its controller. This is the main reason why I got this drone, is the screen is part of the controller, so you don't have to use your cell phone, and it's really bright. I've used it already, and I really liked it. But there's other things too, like one thing that I really enjoy doing is reading your comments. Reading your comments really makes me happy too. I feel lucky because the majority of the comments are just such nice comments you guys make, and I thank you for that. I mean, there's always some bad comments, but I really appreciate the comments, especially even if you don't vote on a shot, just giving me feedback. Like Koo's Adventures said, all looks good to me, but I thought it was cool when the drone shot you were sitting at the park table controlling it as it was rising on departure. That was very cool. Thank you, Koo's Adventures, for making that comment. They call that shot, that's a quick shot feature that's in the drone itself that you can do, called the rocket. And I'm gonna do some more of the quick shots because I really enjoy doing them. But let's take a look and see which shot from last week won, which one you guys chose. So let's go through here. Whoop, that went over there. Let me bring it over here. Andon Mix Vlog. They said, thank you for sharing your wonderful video. For me, I like shot 1. And Zenmatic Travel, I hope I'm not butchering these names by the way, but Zenmatic Travel said, shot 1 was awesome. Thanks for sharing. Well, thank you for making a comment. Now, Jennifer Morales Feline Films said, laughing out loud, I love your intro. Thank you. I enjoyed making it. And she went on to say, my vote goes to shot 2. Very cool to see all the birds. And I think that was funny because I watch your videos and I love cats. I just want to say it right now. There, I said it. I love cats. And you post a lot about your cats in your videos, and you know the cats probably like shot 2 too as well, following the birds around. I think that would be one that the cats would love too. But the cats weren't the only ones that loved it. My wife Rose loved it too, because she said, wow, those bird shots are so beautiful. Shot 2 this time, love it. Well, you know what, Rose? I love you too. That's okay, guys. Rose is my wife. I'm allowed to love her. Now, Billy B, you know what? Billy B, I've been watching your videos for a long time. Thanks for making a comment, man. Billy B flies a drone too. I hate to say it. And he's got some really cool drone videos, or videos featuring drones, and or drone footage. But Billy B said, interesting drone shots. My choice is shot 3. Thank you for casting your vote. Now, DMB Travels, they thought drone shot 4 was the best. They said, really great drone challenge. Shot 4, 2 thumbs up. Have a nice new week. Well, DMB Travels, you have a nice new week too. Thank you very much. And then, Don't Miss the Little Things made a comment and said, yep, made it to the end. Man, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. That means the world to me. I really appreciate it. And he liked shot number 4. He thought that one was the best. I really want to thank everyone that voted, and I think everyone that made a comment, whether you voted or not. But when you add up the votes to see which shot won, well, the cats won. Jennifer, your cats, and Rose, my wife, were right. Shot 2 was the winner. I mean, I was just still kind of looking through the comments, and there's just so many nice comments. I came across one more I just want to read. I wish I could read everybody's. But Ryan Lobo said, Fun to watch your daily routines. Good luck with your best drone shot. For me, this is the first footage I am watching from you, and I'm lucky to witness your channel. Definitely my favorite is shot 4. Great filming, my friend. Awesome footage. Keep up the great work. Well, thank you, Ryan. That was such a wonderful comment, and I'm glad you enjoyed the daily routines. But, you know, I'm getting old. I think I'm too old to do that kind of stuff. I'm probably not going to do that anymore. But anyway, tomorrow is a big day. I'm going to go out and fly my drone. So I decided to get ready for bed, where I brush my teeth. I do that every night. I also decided to use mouthwash, which I do every night as well, unless I forget. After that, I change clothes. I don't really wear pajamas. I just wear a comfortable t-shirt and some comfortable shorts. Then I decided to go lay down in bed and get comfortable. Once I got all comfortable, I had a really good night's sleep, where the next morning I woke up, stretched real good. It was a good night's sleep, I have to say. Then I decided I'd go make some coffee using one of my fun coffee mugs. This is one of my favorite ones, actually. I like the Jolly Roger stuff. Then I took such coffee to my room, where I scrolled on Amazon, which I do probably too much, and looking at, of course, what else? Drones. I didn't film this, but I did take a shower and brush my teeth again. After that, I changed clothes, got ready, I headed out the door, and I got there as the sun was coming up. I'm at a place called Joe's River Park. It's on Hutchinson Island South, and a big fish just jumped right there. I got here early. I fished for I don't know how long, and I did not catch anything, but yet a big fish just jumped right there. That's my luck. I may have to try again some more. But first, we're filming an episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. I do this, I tell you, the reason why I make these videos is it kind of gives me something to do with my drone footage. I love flying my drone, and these videos give the footage that I film a purpose. So thank you for watching. Well, I didn't have much luck fishing, but look at this view. Check this out. So I guess what we got to do now is let's go over some rules. Okay, here's the rules. This is how it works. I'm going to put my drone in the air. I'm going to fly it all around. I'm looking for my 3 best shots out here. Then once I'm done, I'm going to post those 3 shots in this video. I'm also going to include the winner of last week, so you'll have 4 shots to vote on. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. By the way, fish are jumping everywhere. I don't know why I'm not catching any. Okay, those were the 3 shots. Y'all won't believe this, but a big fish just jumped over there. I mean, I fished out here for I don't know how long this morning. I was using this. My friend Mark gave that to me, told me I'd catch a snook with it, but I haven't yet. But this was really the first morning that I gave it a good try. I'm not done fishing. I think I'm gonna fish some more. But back to the vlog. So I just flew my drone. I think I found some pretty good shots. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. And if you made it to this part of the video, man, I really want to thank you for watching the whole video. Thank you for helping my channel. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Just now filming. I wasn't filming before. I just did a whole thing. No, I'm kidding. They may be jumping, but they haven't been biting for me. Dang it. I suck at fishing. No, I'm kidding.